Peace to everybody. This is about Judge hopes R. Kelly go on trial on first of 4 sex charges early next year. And of course, in the picture, you can see R. Kelly, who is guilty, and I do believe that's an attorney behind him. I'm not sure, but R. Kelly should not be running around these streets of Chicago going after little girls that he could sexually assault anytime that he wants to. A Cook County judge said Wednesday he hopes the first of 4 separate indictments against singer R. Kelly will go to trial early next year. Well, hopefully, I don't know why the judge got to wait till early next year. Why not just put him in jail right now? Get it over with. Get him off the streets, because he don't belong anywhere on the streets at all, because he's going after little girls under the ages 18 and 17, and that's statutory rape right there. But since they want to wait till next year, he's going to do whatever the heck he wants. The indictments charge the embattled singer, 52, whose legal name is Robert Kelly, with sexually assaulting 1 woman and sexually abusing 3 others years ago. 3 of the alleged victims were underage at the time, prosecutors alleged. Yeah, so R. Kelly, real name is Robert Kelly. He's 52 years old, and was sexually assaulting 1 woman and sexually abusing 3 others years ago. But why did he get off acquitted? Because what? The judge took the DA's side and said, well, look, we're going to acquit him. Nah, first of all, it's wrong. Hopefully, I wish they would just move this case right along immediately. Don't wait till next year. Get it over with now. Kelly appeared for the brief hearing at the Legaton Criminal Court building. Prosecutors handed over to Kelly's attorneys a videotape at the center of one of the indictments. So Kelly had to appear at the criminal court building, and of course, I don't know, the prosecutors handed over to Kelly's attorneys a videotape of what happened. Judge Lawrence Flood asked prosecutors to decide which indictment they plan to proceed to trial on first. Assistant State's Attorney Jennifer Gonzalez said they have been working with detectives to make that decision. Yeah, so this judge, I really don't like this judge at all, because he should have just had this trial done a long time ago. But instead, he just, cut him loose for now until early next year with the trial. But of course, the Assistant State's Attorney Jennifer Gonzalez have been working with the detectives to make this decision. Most recently, Kelly was charged in June with more serious charges of sexual assault in an 11-count indictment involving victim J.P., a teenage fan who prosecutors say met him at Kelly's child pornography trial a decade ago. He was indicted on 11 counts involving J.P., including 4 counts of aggravated criminal sexual assault. Prosecutors have said that Kelly slapped and choked J.P. during their sexual encounter. So, see, now you know why. I mean, R. Kelly has gone way too far on that one. He choked and sexually assaulted her, and and R. Kelly is just getting away with too much. I mean, how much more can this judge even allow this man to run the streets of Chicago before he's even charged to a crime that he did? And of course, with the 11 counts involving J.P., one of the girls that he choked during their sexual encounters. And of course, no woman likes to be choked. R. Kelly's a puppet. He's a liar. He cannot be trusted anymore. Those charges allege Kelly carried on a year-long sexual relationship with a girl he had met in 1998 when she was celebrating her 16th birthday. Videotaped himself having sex with a young girl at his home in Olympia Fields in the late 1990s and tried to force oral sex on his 24-year-old hairdresser in 2003 while he was free on bond on the then pending child pornography charges. So now what the hell is wrong with this? R. Kelly's guilty all the way around. He tried to force a 24-year-old to have oral sex with him. You know how disgusting that is? And of course, there was pending at that time child pornography charges involving JP. On Wednesday, Flood also issued a protective order that bars Kelly's attorneys from publicizing the DVD. He warned to do so could be a crime. So judge gave the protective order that bars Kelly's attorneys for publicizing the DVD. Of course, it was everything's on DVD now. If you want to find stuff on DVDs, that's where you gotta go, because computers can only hold so much stuff at a time. And of course, if they violate that protective order, there's a 7-year prison term for violating the order of protection. I should know because I went through this stuff after I was abused so many times. And R. Kelly's attorneys better do what the judge says or else. After the hearing, Kelly's attorney, Stephen Greenberg, told reporters that the defense team will be ready to go to trial next year if we need to be. So here, Stephen Greenberg is an idiot, so let me put it that way. And he told the reporters that the defense team will be ready to go next year. I wouldn't even wait till next year. I would make this trial go right now and get it over with. I don't care how many weeks it will take, just get it over with. Don't wait till next year. Greenberg said he plans to file many pre-trial motions, including one arguing that the statute of limitations has expired on each of the 4 indictments. With the city of Chicago, they have no statute of limitations whatsoever. If they do, who knows how long it is, but mostly the statute of limitations is 8 years. And now Greenberg is saying that he's going to file pre-trial motions and, of course, arguing that the statute of limitations. I really don't think Greenberg is going to win these motions at all, because it's really pathetic that R. Kelly's out here running around the streets of Chicago looking for little girls that he wants to have sex with, and the parents are going to wonder where they are because they don't think half the time, which I could understand, but they should keep their daughters away from R. Kelly. Do not introduce him to their little girls, because that's what he prays for. And R. Kelly deserves to be in jail for a very long time. The 10 counts of sexual assault on women, and plus now he has 11 more on top of it. So I don't know how long this trial is going to be next year, but I really wish they would just move it along as fast as they can right now, but they're not going to, because the judge has ordered it or whatever for next year, and it's really pathetic. Leave your comments below. I am out.